Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to add music to TikTok story. If you've been searching for a way to put a song on your TikTok story, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To add music to your TikTok story, first of all, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you're in TikTok, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Now, look for your profile picture at the top of your profile. You will see a plus icon in the bottom right of the profile picture. Just tap on it. Now, a new screen appears where you can either record a new video or upload a photo or video from your gallery. Once you've selected your video or picture, it will open on a new screen where you can add filters, text, music, and more. On the right side of the screen, tap on the music icon. Once you tap, a library of music and sounds will appear. Now, browse or search for the song or sound you want to add. Tap on it to preview, and then select the one that suits your story. If needed, you can tap on the cut icon and drag the sound timing to match your video using the slider at the bottom of the screen. Once you're satisfied, tap your story to share your story with the music to your followers. Now, your TikTok story will feature the music you selected, and your followers will be able to hear it as they view your story.